Today's video is fully dedicated to those who want to join TCS as a fresher. This video also helpful for other interview also. Now, today we want to give you an example so that you can better understand how to handle a interview round. Let's check it out.
Okay. You are Purito Sarkar, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to join TCS?
Because sir, I have been searching internet about your company and I found that Tata Consultancy Services is a subsidiary of Tata Group of Company. And when we talk about Tata Group of Company, there is a belief with us because Tata Company not only for India but also famous for all over the world. And I believe TCS gives us good working environment and career growth opportunity. That's why I want to join TCS.
Okay. What are the qualities do you have so that we will hire you?
Apart from hardworking, I am self-motivated person and confident person. And I am good learner and listener. I easily adapt any kind of environment. And also I want to add something that if you ask me a question and I don't know the answer, then I easily say, I don't know. But I know how can get the answer or find the answer.
Okay. You have told that you are a self-confident person, right?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what is the difference between confidence and overconfidence?
For me, confidence means I can do this work and overconfidence means only I can do this work.
Okay. And also you have told that you are hardworking, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you mean and how will you see about hard work and smart work?
Hard work means putting maximum effort and getting a minimum result, and smart work means putting a minimum effort and getting maximum result. I believe hard work gives us experience and smart work comes with experience, and there is no smart work without hard work.
Okay, good answer. Okay, then tell me about yourself.
This is Purito Sarkar. I am currently 21. I am from Alipurduar. My father is a businessman and mother is a teacher. I am a graduate. I complete my graduation from Jadavpur University. And I like to watching motivational movies and reading books. And I want to become a good motivational speaker. That's all about me for the time being.
Motivational speaker, right?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Okay, then tell me, why do you want to become a motivational speaker?
Because I believe every leaders who have good communication skill, they are highly motivated and highly successful in their life. I want to give an example. If you see in our history, all the great leaders, they have good they have good speaking power. Also, you can see our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I believe he have a good speaking power. So I want to become a motivational speaker so that I can able to achieve.
Okay, nice, good answers. Nice meeting you, Puritosh. And that's all from my end. And we'll be back in the next round perhaps.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In an interview, you need to maintain eye contact to your interviewer so that interviewer get impressed with you, and you should enough self-confidence so that your confidence level looking fabulous. And you should remember your first impression is the last impression. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video.